Hello, today you're looking at a plating electronic 10,000 amp 15 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This has been fully tested and checked out. As you can see, this is in great condition. I'll show you guys the inside really quick. Overall dimensions, 32 inches length, 32 inches width, 88 inches high. This is wired for 463 phase. Does have touchscreen controls right here, fully programmable. Does have dosing capabilities as well, and ramp controls. This is filtered, and we'll get that going for you right now. Bring you guys over to the O-scope. Is confirmed to have less than 1% ripple. It's a great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.